Mga igsoon, kumusta? Kinsa man ang pwede ra makahatag og homily. Sumala pa sa homiletic directory nga gikan sa Congregation for the Divine Worship and the Discipline of the Sacraments, mao kini ang atong mabasa. It is because the homily is an integral part of the church worship that it is to be delivered only by bishops, priests, or deacons. Well-trained lay leaders can also give solid instruction and moving exhortations. And opportunities for such presentation should be provided in other contexts, but it is the intrinsically liturgical nature of the homily that demands that it be given only by those ordained to lead the church worship. Redemptione Sacramentum 161. Busa klaro tinaw maigsuon nga ang obispo, pare o deacon ragayod, or in short ang mga ordained minister ragayod ang pwedeng mohatag og homily diha sa Santos na Misa. May the Almighty God bless us all.